friends, so this is our second episode. Thank you for the overwhelming response that we got. काफी सारे subscriptions पर fantastic questions भी बहुत सारे आप लोगों ने किए. So primarily जो questions हमें मिले, everyone wants to know about the big daddy of the medical colleges. सबको ये चाहिए कि सबसे अच्छे कॉलेज कौन है, उसमें कैसे एडमिशन लिया जाता है. This kind of information बहुत सारे बच्चों ने पूछा था. तो हम पहले जो आज स्टार्ट करते हैं, that is admissions to government colleges, the big names, the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, the AIIMS, then you have JIPMER, you have Armed Forces Medical College, which has been included now under the NEET itself. They have certain extra criteria which we can definitely answer to your direct queries in that part. But these are the so-called big daddies of medical science. So here the most important thing is how to get in, what is the criteria. जो पिछली बार डिस्कस किए थे my friends वही है. What are important? See, these are the best colleges, fantastic infrastructure. Most of them have got fantastic infrastructure. कहीं पे infrastructure थोड़ा सा lacking अगर हो भी जाए, तब भी hospital practice is the primary key of medical education. Remember, like जब कोई बच्चा इंजीनियरिंग करने जाता है तो लैब्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं, टीचर्स इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. यहाँ पे टीचर्स एंड द हॉस्पिटल प्रैक्टिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. What I mean about hospital practice, you can ask some of maybe your guardian if they are doctors or some of the doctors whom you know कि आप on hand training कैसे ले पाते हो, कितने patients हैं उस hospital में. This is very important. So that is fantastic with these colleges. Another very big thing is monetary. Look, the fees are much lower than the private or the deemed colleges. So these are the primary keys. How can I get admitted? Fantastic score and a fantastic rank. That is the primary key. जो पिछली बार मैंने बोला था, a score of 550 plus out of 720 and a very good rank. Maybe this time the rank has to be somewhere in the 5,000s to get into the big ones. And the reasonably ones which are maybe lower down the line, maybe you could look at a lower rank. But the concept is the same. फिर से देखिए, मैं वही स्लाइड को रिपीट कर रहा हूँ जिसके बारे में काफी सारे क्वेश्चंस लोगों ने पूछे कि ये किस हिसाब से बना है. थोड़ा सा फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूँ. आपके बाएं तरफ जो 0 से लेके 1 लाख तक के नंबर्स लिखे हुए हैं, वो नंबर्स रैंक्स हैं. जो नीचे 2016 से 2020 है वो आपको समझ में आ ही रहा है कि वो ईयर है. 2016 is a year, 2020 is also a year. Then you have the categories, that is general. GN stands for general category. OBC, you know very well what OBC is. Then you have SC ST. So this is kind of a rank is to category chart. So ये year demarcated yearly. तो ये x y z axis पे बना हुआ है. कंफ्यूज मत हो जाइए, आप अपने लिए सोचिए. अगर आप SC हैं तो देखिए SC का कट ऑफ 2020 में लगभग 70-80 हजार के हिसाब से था. अगर आप OBC वाले देखिए, अगर जनरल हो तो जनरल वाला देखिए. आपको आपका टारगेट क्या है वो सोच लीजिए. आप दूसरे के लिए आपको सोचना नहीं है, आप अपना ब्लॉक देखिए, उतना ही काफी है आपके लिए. So end of the day, what it embroils to a very good score, a very good rank, in case these big daddies are what you are looking at. So these are the very sought after good medical colleges of India. So here we are again talking of the AIQ as in the last episode. This episode primarily being dedicated to these colleges, and this is again the repetition of the quota wise cutoffs that we discussed. Now we say which are the best colleges. एक क्वेश्चन आता ही है, कौन सा बेस्ट कॉलेज है. गूगल पे आप जाओ तो pages after pages, various companies have said this is number 1, this is number 2. कहीं दूसरे वाले में आप दूसरे पेज में जाओगे तो कोई 10th वाले को पहला बोलता है, पहले वाले को 100वां बोलता है. You kids go nuts. Please follow one pattern. कौन डिसाइड करता है कि कौन सा चीज सही है या नहीं है? मेरे हिसाब से गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, देश डिसाइड करता है. आप इस देश के नागरिक हो, you must be proud Indians. So just look at what the country tells you. What have I given here? Look, there is a thing says www.nirfindia.org. NIRF क्या है? National Institutional Ranking Framework. National Institutional Ranking Framework. ये क्या है? उतना इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है. This is what you need to follow. यही सच है. मेरे हिसाब से ये सच है. कोई अगर बोलेगा कि ये सच नहीं है, then they are against the government. My process is a government process. We talk of colleges which are notified, which are controlled, which are run through processes of the government. तो गवर्नमेंट जो बोलेगा मुझे वही सही मानना है। तो ये जो है मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया का साइट है, इसी को आप पकड़ के चलिए। अगर आपको रैंक ढूंढना है, इतना रैंक के पीछे मत पड़िए। मेरे हिसाब से जो फर्स्ट रैंक और जो 25वां रैंक है, कई बार हम देखते हैं कि लगभग ठीक ठाक है, सिमिलर है। So if you are aiming for these colleges, I would say rank 1 to rank 50 also is not an issue. If you are aiming for this, look at this website. If you want to know which are the best, what is the rank, this the National Framing Network is one person who gives you a kind of genuine idea. So have a look at this and aim high. Try to get a higher score. Try to get a better rank. Then that is the only option you can get into these colleges. In colleges के processes क्या है? I have discussed before. Again I am repeating. There is a 15% quota which is taken through the central counseling process. So this has got to be your target, because again otherwise it's all again state dependent and any number of other quotients get applied. So those ifs and buts will come. अगर आपको एक ही चीज को पकड़ के चलना है तो ये 15% AIQ पे आप भरोसा कीजिए। उसके कट ऑफ्स मैंने आपको सेकंड स्लाइड में दिए थे, पिछले वीडियो में भी दिया हुआ था। आप लोगों के क्वेश्चंस में भी मैंने आंसर डाला हुआ है कि व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी डन टू गेट एडमिटेड टू दीस कॉलेजेस। सो मेनी क्वेश्चंस वर फॉर सर बेस्ट कॉलेज का लिस्ट दीजिए। तो लिस्ट ये है सर, ये लिस्ट माय चिल्ड्रन, योर चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज द लिस्ट। एवरी डे इट माइट चेंज, आई कैन नॉट गिव यू एन अपडेटेड लिस्ट एवरी टाइम। जस्ट सेव दिस URL, this is the current list. Even if it changes, you will get the change format over there. ये सिर्फ मेडिकल के लिए जरूरी नहीं है, ये लिंक मेडिकल के लिए है जो अभी आपको दिख रहा है। आप ये लिंक you can even forward to your friends, even if it's for engineering, they just go to the primary part of the URL, वहां से आप दूसरे courses भी search कर सकते हैं। This is for medical ranking which I have given you. This gives you details about ranking for PG as well as the undergraduate programs. Okay. Now let's move on. Again we come tell you the importance of being on this channel. I'm very happy that all of you are here. Most of you have subscribed. You can tell your friends to subscribe. A like is not important. My videos may not be liked sometimes, but the most important part is I am being able to give you some service. I am giving you information about various things which are corroborative or relative to what you require. आपको ये जरूरत है और अभी और ज्यादा जरूरत है, because there's a lot of content coming up on the internet. What to follow, where to get one point information, a single point information is available here on admissionguidance.org. Presently it is only on the video channel, so stick on to this for the time being. Go on to the comment section, please put in your questions. We will soon come up with a very informative video which will be in much more detail. This is a much shorter version of the second episode. The third one will be a little more complicated, will require more of your time. So please come and watch our third video when you have got sufficient time in hand. Again, people who have joined us directly on this video, please go back and watch the episode number 1. It is absolutely important for you. That is the mother of all admission requirements. Remember that I will not be repeating those important things here. So you can always go back, check it. If you have questions, you can always come back to me. As I told you, you need us now. You need us for your own benefit. Your subscription can be temporary. I give you this idea. It's not a permanent thing. You need to subscribe it at least for the time being. So stay tuned. We are coming back to you with the third video in a couple of days. Thank you.